Go get it. Go get it. Bring your head over. Can you see it?
Okay, Mel, there it is.
Good.
Are you going to
Good.
hold it? All right. Get a scoop. Almost. Go down a little further. It's getting towards the bottom. There it is. Nice. Keep going.
Okay, take it up to your mouth.
Okay, go ahead.
Where's your mouth? Come over your desk. Come over your table. There you go.
Okay, come on.
Gonna help yourself? Help your hand.
Keep going, buddy. Come on, don't freeze. Keep going.
You know what you can do? With this hand, use this hand to push your head over. Can you push your head over? Will that help? Hold your head. Hold your head.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
You're about to lose it. It's about to go off.
Come on, hurry up. You're going to want to lose your spoon.
Hurry, get it, get it, get it.
Here we go.
I think I make everybody sick with my videos.